Welcome to your final lesson of Chapter 1, 1-7 Words, Equations, Tables, and Graphs. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to learn how to represent relations. So in a game of What's My Rule, kind of picked a card that says double a number and then add 3. So what we want to do is we want to make a table for 4 different domain values and write an algebraic expression for the rule. Then we want to state our domain and our range. So I'm going to start off with our 4 domain values. So our x's are our domains, our y is our range. I'm just going to pick some easy ones, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we want to double our number and then add 3. So 1 doubled is 2, add 3 to that, we get 5. 2 doubled is 4. Add 3, we get 7. 3 doubled is 6. Add 3, we get 9. And 4 doubled is 8. Add 3, we get 11. Then we need to write an algebraic expression for the rule. So we know our variable here is x. What was happening to x is we were doubling it. So we were multiplying that by 2. And then we were adding 3 to whatever we got there. And our domain and range, our domain is our x values, so we've got our squiggly bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4. And our range is our squiggly bracket, 5, 7, 9, 11. Closing our squiggly bracket. And a reminder, your squiggly bracket is up by your P on your keyboard. And apparently I didn't need that slide. For our vocabulary, the word equation is a mathematical sentence stating that two qualities are equal. So y is equal to 2x plus 4. So y and then 2x plus 4 are the same thing. They equal each other. Same thing being if we just had y equals 3. Y and 3 are the same thing. 2x minus 16 equals p. Same deal. Your equation is stating one thing is equal to another. So there are multiple ways that you can represent relations. You can represent them in words. So for example, here it's stating that distance is equal to 60 miles per hour times the number of hours. In equation form, that's saying d equals 60t. So our distance is the same thing as 60 times the number of hours we were in there, times the time. In a table here, we have 4 different domain values. So after 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and 4 hours, it shows us how far we have gone. So we're taking that time times 60 to get us our answer. And then you can also represent your information in a graph. So for example here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's going up in a straight line. So you're going to be able to, or you're going to be given some problems and asked to represent them in one of these 4 ways.